Menstrual cramps could be just the warning sign of something underlying, and you need to recognize that and you need to treat that. Menstrual cramps. So, all of us have this symptom very commonly, and according to the studies, it is prevalent as much as about 60% to 90% in women globally. So, what are these menstrual cramps? So, cramps are the pain that you experience once you get your periods. And what is it because of? It is because of the shedding of the uterine lining, which is called the endometrium, which is caused by the contractions of the uterus. So there is release of certain substance called as prostaglandins, which causes the uterus to contract, and that released factors causes pain. So what are the things that we need to be careful about, or we need to understand about menstrual cramps? What is the nature of the pain? Is the pain aggravated or relieved by certain things or substances? So here we need to understand that pain could be a normal thing, and in various women the threshold of the pain could be different. But if it is associated with other certain symptoms like vomiting, or you have excessive sweating, or you have the urge to defecate or urinate, then that could be a warning sign. So what are these warning signs signifying? So it could be because of an underlying disorder called as endometriosis. So what is endometriosis? Endometriosis is the presence of uterine glands and stroma outside the uterus, that is somewhere like the ovary, inside your pelvic cavity, or it could be as far as your lungs. So we need to understand that the presence of the uterine lining outside the uterus is not normal. So what happens with this? As much as the things that happens every month, that is shedding of the uterine lining that happens every month, and the changes which are related to it, it happens outside also. And that inflammatory process goes on happening outside the uterus, that is around your ovaries, around your tubes, in the pelvic cavity, which can cause distortion of the normal anatomy. So this endometriosis is not an easy thing to manage. This is a lifelong, chronic, debilitating condition that we need to be very careful of. So if your daughter is experiencing excessive pain during your period, or you as an adult is experiencing all these symptoms, please visit your gynecologist to see what the symptoms are because of. You might have to do a scan to see whether there are some causes, and sometimes it might not be picked up in the scan as much as in a laparoscopy. So what are the things that we can do commonly to relieve the menstrual cramps? So if at all your menstrual cramps are because of nothing other than your normal menstruation, then it can be relieved by over-the-counter medications which are used against the prostaglandins released. So you can try something like mefenamic acid, which is the Meftal, something like ibuprofen, but then it would be better if you visit a gynecologist and take it under her supervision, because you don't know if you're allergic to these medication. So it is always better to consult a doctor and then take your medication. Also, there are other therapies which you can do, like applying a hot water bag on your belly, something like you can use certain lifestyle modifications like having a healthy lifestyle, doing aerobic exercises, doing yoga, or something like that, which will help you in dealing with these conditions in a better way. Now there is something called as TENS, which is transcutaneous nerve stimulation, which is the stimulation of certain nerves that will help you in relieving these pains. So it is just something that is not done very commonly. Most of these disorders or most of this pain is managed conservatively, and you require this only on the later stages, which is like the last thing to do. So understanding what the menstrual cramps are and to treat them is the most important thing. And the thing that you need to understand here is that menstrual cramps could be just the warning sign of something underlying, and you need to recognize that and you need to treat that. So that is what I have to tell you here. Thank you.